How to create a Sankey chart when there are multiple measures. The Sankey chart only needs one numeric column. The data includes two numeric columns, that is impressions and clicks. Select the data. Click on the Create Chart from Selection button. A dialog will open if the selected data includes multiple numeric columns. This dialog will not open if the selected data contains only one numeric column. By default, the worksheet name, that is Sankey chart, is selected. By default, row 1 is set as the header row. By default, the first numeric column, that is impressions, is selected. You can change the selected numeric column. Let's select the clicks numeric column from the drop-down. By default, text columns are selected from left to right. The Level 1 option is selected for the device. The Level 2 option is selected for the gender. The Level 3 option is selected for the age group. You can remove a level. If available, you can add a new level. You can set row range using the slider, or manually set value in start row and end row text boxes. Currently, we will select all rows. When all required selections have been made, the Create Chart button will become active. Click on the Create Chart button. Sankey chart is created successfully. Following versions of Excel are supported by ChartExpo. We appreciate your business. Thank you. Please remember to subscribe to our channel.